years have passed. Many stories have designed our present. It's not only a matter of discoveries, successes, and goals achieved. It's the path along which we walked with hundreds of people who shared the same vision that made this incredible story so rooted. Thanks to all these people, we walked on an arduous path, overcoming obstacles and reaching new heights. It's time to understand that the whole nature which surrounds us is chemistry itself. The right direction we have to choose is to respect chemistry and, above all, to respect where it comes from. Welcome on board for this amazing new journey. Nature is chemistry.